Trump administration stuns with unprecedented Supreme Court requests, 20 emergency appeals in just 23 weeks. The Supreme Court may have recently concluded its annual session, but its work isn't finished, thanks in large part to a relentless legal strategy pioneered by President Donald Trump during his second term. It turns out this approach has not only been highly strategic, but also remarkably successful in pushing his ambitious agenda forward. Within just 23 weeks, the Trump administration has submitted an eye-watering number of emergency requests to the Supreme Court. 20 applications to be exact. This fast-moving onslaught has been tailored to facilitate significant policy measures championed by Trump. Notably, the conservative 6-3 bloc on the court has on many occasions cast favorable verdicts, allowing these executive actions to move ahead uninhibited. But here's the kicker. Many of these emergency orders are issued without signed opinions, leaving the public to wonder what the justice's true thoughts might be. Emergency requests like these aren't typically about long-term fixes. Their role is more about urgent temporary relief. To navigate this, Trump adopted a move fast and break things tactic, utilizing the so-called shadow docket to expedite critical appeals. For perspective, the number of emergency applications filed by Trump in just a few months dwarfs the total submitted by all of his recent predecessors over several years. Former President Joe Biden only filed 19 throughout his entire term, and previous leaders Barack Obama and George W. Bush combined for only 8. Amid these developments, Trump's approach has provided a lift to his allies, enabling a swift succession of executive actions and temporary wins. This method allows Trump to push through major policy objectives without waiting on a slow-moving Congress. Which side do you stand on in this political chess game? The Trump administration's aggressive strategies have certainly ruffled some feathers and prompted fierce debate about the role of the Supreme Court in policymaking. Do you think this level of judicial activism strengthens democracy, or does it undermine checks and balances? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's dive into the discussion.